Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the linear equations solving. Linear equations with two variables. We are going to be solve this one. The types of solving are three types are there. Those are, one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method, and the fourth one we are not use anymore. This is special case. Okay, we are going to be use these four methods I am going to discuss today. For this one, just only one question I am taking. With that question I am going to explain those three methods. Let us take the linear equations. Let it be x plus y is equal to 5, and second equation is 2x minus y equal to minus 2. If this is the linear equation, first substitution method I am going. Substitution method means x, y in place of either any one we are going to be substitute. What we are going to be substitute means, in the first equation x plus y equal to 5 is there, no? From that one take x is equal to something or y is equal to something. The remaining we should be transposed to other side. Here I am taking y is equal to 5 minus x I am taking. Okay, substitute this one in the second. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Substitution method main is substitute y value in first equation. Y value in second equation. In the first equation I changed the y variable, so I am going to be substitute that first equation y value in the second equation. We are going to substitute this one, 2x minus y plus we are going to be substitute 5 minus x. 5 minus x, brackets compulsory, don't forget about the brackets. If you are forgetting about the brackets, no, what will happen here? Minus of minus plus you should be right in the second step. If you are not taking the brackets means as it is you will write minus x. Then the value of the solution will be changes. What and all you are substituting compulsory keep in the brackets. Is equal to minus 2 is the second equation. Now simplify 2x minus, multiply with minus the full bracket. Minus 5, then here minus into minus plus x you will be changed. If you are not taking the brackets, here the sign will be changes. Be careful of the brackets. Is equal to minus 2. That is equal to 2x minus 2x plus x, simplify the variables, 3x minus 5 equal to minus 2. 3x is equal to transfer this minus 5 to that side, plus 5. 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 you will get. So substitute x value either 1 or 2, any one of the equation. Substitute x value in first equation I am going to be substitute. What is the first equation? X plus y equal to 5. So x plus y equal to 5. In this one I am substituting in place of x is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 1, y equal to 4 is the solution for the simultaneous linear equations. By substitution method I solved this one. Okay. Next I am going to be use elimination method. Elimination method, second one is elimination method. In this elimination method, first take the question. The question is the same question I am going to be take. X plus y is equal to 5. 2x minus y equal to minus 2. Let this is the first equation, this is the second equation. In this elimination method we have to be eliminate either x variable or y variable. For this one the first thing we have to be consider coefficients should be same. Coefficient should be same. Here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is 2. So we should be make it to equate. Here the coefficient of y is 1, here the coefficient of y is equal to minus 1. So directly we can be cancel by coefficient. Here I am going to be take addition. In this addition, no more changes you have to be applied. Directly we can do 2x plus 3x, 2 plus 1x, 3x, plus y minus y both will be cancelled. Is equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Then x is equal to 1 you will get. Support x value either one or two equation. I am going to be substituting in the first equation. Then x is equal to 1. If I am substituting 1 plus y equal to 5, then y equal to 5 minus 1, y is equal to 4 you will get. This is the one way. Therefore y is equal to 1. This is in this one I used the addition. No, suppose the equation, if the linear equations are like this, and 5x minus 9y equals 6, if the linear equations are like this, here the first thing is coefficients should be same. Here the coefficient is 2, the coefficient here x coefficient is 5. Here suppose 3 is the y coefficient and y is the minus 9 is the minus coefficient of y. Here the coefficients are not same. In this case, how will you do means, you have to be multiply with this coefficient the second equation, with this with this coefficient with the first equation. Then the x coefficient will become same. You can apply the same process to make the y coefficient should be the same. That means this 3 is there, no y coefficient. This 3 have to be multiplied with the second equation, or this minus 9 have to multiply with the first equation. Then the coefficients of y should be equal. Then the y terms should be cancelled. We can follow either x can be cancelled or y can be cancelled. By that you have to be choose either x or y. Here I am going to be take x coefficients I am making to equal. So this 2 has to be multiplied with the second equation, and for this 5 is there, no, that 5 has to be multiplied with first equation here into 5. Now multiply, this thing will be changed to 10x plus 15y equal to 12. Here 10x minus 18y is equal to 12. So 5 into 12 here 60. So okay, now we simplify. To cancel means here 10x plus 10x both are same sign, you can't able to be cancelled. So here I should be take subtraction. In the first case I take addition, so signs are not changed anymore. Here subtraction I am going to be take, so signs should be changed. Here plus 10 is there, so minus it will be take. Here minus is there, so plus you should take. Here plus is here minus 2, no, minus 2, so minus is there, so here plus you should be take, like that. That means plus is there means minus, minus is there means plus. The sign, changing of sign should be important here. Now plus 10x minus 10x will be cancelled. Plus 18 plus y is equal to 33y is equal to plus 60 and plus 12. Here minus, here plus 12, no, minus signs are changed, no, 60 minus 12 equal to 48, like that. Then y is equal to 48 by 33, like that it will come. Okay dear. Plus is there means minus, minus is there means plus. That is the main thing you have to be changed. Here the elimination method we can use either additions or subtraction. So this method can be called as addition subtraction method. Addition subtraction method. You can use either addition operation you can do, either subtraction operation you should do. Subtraction compulsory, you have to be change the sign. The changing signs only you should be consider. This is the main consideration in elimination method. Next, cross multiplication method. In this cross multiplication method, take the same question, x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus y equal to minus 2. The first consideration here is right hand side should be 0. Right side should be 0. This is the first consideration. Right side should be 0 means transfer this plus 5 to that side. That means x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Here also 2x minus y, minus 2 is moved to that side, plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now observe carefully how I am writing. X, y and constant, give little bit gap, and here I am giving the values. From y coefficient I have to be start from this y coefficient and again end with the y coefficient. The second consideration is start with y coefficient, start and end with y coefficients. Okay, start and end with y coefficients. Here the coefficient of y is 1. So see how I am writing. Here I am writing 1. Next constant is minus 5. Next coefficient of x is 1. Again end with 1. Here all terms are over. No. Again end with 1. Coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is minus 1. Signs should be very important. Here the constant is 2. And x term is 2. Again end with y coefficient. Here I am started. Again you have to be end here y only. So y coefficient is 1. Starting and endings should be same. Remaining coefficients you should write here. Now see carefully. X term I am writing x by cross multiplication no method. So you should be multiply cross these two numbers. 1 into 2. Here also minus 5 into minus 1. In the middle of those two products minus you should be take. Same here. Y coefficient I am writing here. See carefully. Y by cross multiplication you should do for those two. Minus 5 into 2. And here also 1 into 2. Middle of those two products I should take minus value. Is equal to constant term 1 by cross multiplication. No? So 1 into minus 1. Here 1 into 2. Middle of those two what should I take? Minus value. Okay. Now you see x by 1 into 2. 2 minus 5 into minus 1 plus minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. Here minus is there, so minus 5 is equal to y by minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 1 into 2 2 is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 into 2 is 2. So x is a minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to y by minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 is equal to y by minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. All these identities, so you can to get the x variable you should be equate x to the constant term. So that is equal to x by minus 3 equal to 1 by minus 3. I equated first and the last term to get the x variable. So x is equal to cross multiplication if you are doing minus 3 by minus 3, then you will get x value is equal to 1 I got. So x I have over. Now see y value. To get the y variable equate these two. Y by minus 12 is equal to 1 by minus 3. Then y equal to my cross multiplication if you do y equal to 4. So therefore x is equal to 1 and y equal to 4 is a solution for the equation. Solution nothing but these are, one more name is roots. If you are substituting the x and y value in any one of the equation or either two equations, right hand side it should be satisfied. That means 1 x is equal to 1 if I substitute here 1 plus y equal to 4 if I substitute 4, that is equal to 5. So 1 plus 4 is 4. So this is the exact roots for the given equations. Okay, three methods: substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method. Whatever the method may be, the values solution of the given equations should be same. Okay. Special cases we are not using that much. I am giving the examples. Take 101 into x plus 99 into y is equal to 499. And one more example, one more linear equation is 99x plus 101 into y is equal to 501. That means this is the simultaneous linear equations with two variables. Solve these two if they are giving means. The coefficients are going to be very high, huge numbers. We can't able to be, simplification will become little bit difficult. For this one how to do means, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. No. Now, one time you should be add those two equations, one time you should be subtract those two equations. That means 1 plus 2 you have to be do fast. That means if you are adding those, no, you will get as 200x minus 200 plus 200y is equal to 1000 you will get. Then take 200 as common in both sides. X plus y equal to 200 into 5 you will get, no, 200 will be cancelled. So x plus y is equal to 5. This is the linear equation. Let it be 1. the huge number of linear equations we are going to be simplify as a simple linear equations. Small coefficients you will be get here. Okay, one time you should be add, then you will get one equation. One time you should be subtract the given equations. You have to be subtract those two given equations. 101, 99. You have to be subtract those two. Then how much you will be get? 2x. 101 minus 99x is 2x. Here also if you are subtracting 99y minus 101 into y, that means minus 2y is equal to, if you are subtracting 499 minus this one means 2, 501, no? Take 2 as common, x minus y equal to 2, then x minus y equal to 1 you will get. This is the second equation. The special case, we are going to be reduce the huge number of coefficients to small number of the coefficients, and the method is same. Now you have to be simplify this first equation and this is second equation, either any one of those three methods, either substitution, elimination or cross multiplication. Okay, this is the called as special case. The huge coefficients will be simplified first into the simple coefficients. After that, use any one of those three methods. Okay, this is one way. And this special case also, one more also is the reciprocals. In this reciprocals, let the equations will be like that. They will given 8 by x minus 5 by y is equal to 34. And 3 by x minus 2 by y equal to 13. These are called the reciprocal equations. The variables are in the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator, denominator will be up and down you will be getting. No? That's why these are the reciprocal equations. How to solve such type of equations means, in this reciprocal equations, let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Like that you have to be assume. Then 8 into 1 by x, no, so it will be changes into 8u minus this minus 5 by y will be changes to 5v is equal to 34. Okay, now here the second equation if you are taking, no, 3 by x by 1 by x will be u, no, so 3u minus 2 by y. 1 by y is v, no, so minus 2v is equal to 13. Now solve these two equations, either one of the 3. Then you will get u and v solution. U is nothing but 1 by x, no, at last then x is equal to, you will get the values. This is called the special case method. Hope all of you understand these types of solving linear equations. If you have any doubts in any one of the chapters, please comment me. I will try to explain. Thank you for watching. Hope all of you understand these types of solving linear equations. If you have any doubts in any one of the chapters, please comment me. I will try to explain. Thank you for watching.
If you like these videos, please give one like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thank you for watching.